G'day everyone, welcome back to Shane's Shed. It's the day after I've done a rear height sensor, so we're going to recalibrate all the suspension. Not only have I done the height sensor, I've done the front upper control arms, so there could be a little slight change just in that calibration height. If you're interested in any of those videos, particularly the diagnosis of the rear height sensor, I'll throw a card up here and you can have a look at that playlist. I'm in the carport at the moment. I'm hoping there's not too much wind noise so you can hear me, but I'm also going to, when we get into this, we're going to be having the engine running, so I'll try my best to speak over that. I'm in my carport at the moment because the concrete is a little bit more level than what's in my shed, so that's something you want to have a look at before you start this job. Just grab a level surface. You also just need a tape measure and of course your IID tool from Gap Diagnostics. I'll whack the link to that in the description below, so let's get into it. Alright, so first up, just want to throw the IID tool into the OBD 2 port. So I'll link to the Gap tool with my phone on Bluetooth. Now, first thing we want to do is we want to go to the calibration side and we'll go to suspension. Now, you can do a manual calibration, which means you can just manually set each corner, but I find the guided calibration is pretty well foolproof, so we're going to go into that. So I'm going to need to start the engine so I can raise and alter the height of the suspension as we go. So start the car and proceed with this routine. So as you can see, it basically gives you instructions as you go along. So once the corner is calibrated, it will not be affected by movements by the other corners, and and it tells you where to measure. So measurements are made from the corner of the wheel arch to the centre of the wheel. So you can do it in metric or imperial, whatever suits. So we'll go next. Also gives you this calibration info. It doesn't refer to anything particular. So we're going to go next. So the first corner is the left front, and it tells you where to do it. Basically what to do here, so place your tape measure as instructed before and use the up and down arrows to reach the required height. Once you've completed, you click send and you move on to the next calibration. So let's go to next. So as you can see, we want 466. So between the centre of the hub to the top of the guard, and we're at 460 thereabouts. So we'll go up a touch. Down a little bit. We're at 470, so I reckon that's good enough. It's easier going to 466. So let's go to the next. Alright, so we got 460 again. So we'll go up. Nothing's changed. Touch too much. Alright, so as you can see, we're at 470, which is the same as the other side, so let's go next. Alright, this one, yep. So the right rear. Now these rear ones are different, so these want to go 485. We're about 10 mil out, so let's go up. Wait. A little bit higher there.
Wait, what's that? Wait,
down again. Down a bit more. It's a bit hit and miss, so that's pretty close to the 485 there now. So we'll go on the next.
Wait, does the phone control this?
Yes, I'm calibrating the height load.
That's cool.
And this corner's a little high. Okay, and that's 485. So now that we've done all four corners, we're just going to hit next, and it'll come up with apply. There'll be a confirmation, proceed with this routine, yes. It'll update, tell you the operation succeeded. You just need to move the height sensor switch in the cab up or down to reactivate. So there we go, either up or down, doesn't matter. Hey guys, so that's pretty much the procedure for calibrating the height sensor with the IID tool. Hopefully this wind noise isn't too bad. I'm going to go check out this camera footage because my 7-year-old has been on that, so it's probably all over the place and I need to do this video for the 3rd time. So this procedure shouldn't really change much between any of the different Land Rover models with air suspension with the IID tool. The process should be pretty well the same either way. It's just probably little differences with the actual height measurements. So that would be all you need to look at. If you enjoyed this video, especially if you want to see more of the Gap IID tool stuff, then let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this content and what my channel's all about, then please check out my other videos and like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. So until next time, cheers guys.